How to create an account on the Boo app. So first install the app if you haven't already, then open the app. Then after a few moments, you'll see two options on your screen. Continue with Google or continue with email. Choose the one that you prefer. I'll go ahead with continue with Google. Then tap on any one email that you would like to create an account with. After tapping on it, Boo will take a few moments to verify that it is you. Then it will ask you to write in your name, then choose your gender. Then you should make sure that your date of birth is correct because it can be only changed once. Then after confirming the information, tap on allow, then tap on allow one more time. Then allow the Boo app to send you notifications. Simply fill in all the information that it is giving you. Then after filling in all the information, the Boo app will ask you to take a quiz of 30 questions. Then after filling in all the information, the Boo app will create an account for you. And it is that easy. These are some few simple steps from which you can create an account on the Boo app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video.